Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. If you've been sitting for too long, or you've just been feeling stiff, achy, or just not as mobile as you'd like, this 5-minute stretch routine will wake up your body and leave you feeling refreshed. So you might be wondering, who's this routine meant for? Well, I got an answer for you. If you sit all day and need to release tension in your back and hips, it's for you. If you wake up stiff and want to improve mobility, it's for you. If you're active and need a solid spine and hip reset, it's for you. You won't need any equipment, just your mat, your breath, and a few minutes of your time. We're starting with a deep hip and spine release, flowing into spinal mobility drills and finishing with a powerful upper back stretch. By the end of the session, your spine will feel loose, your hips will be open, and you'll be ready to take on the day. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you. So make sure you stick through to the end, and I promise you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. Let's start by melting into relaxing while opening up the spine and hips. Kneel on your mat with your big toes touching and knees wide apart. Extend your arms forward and lower your chest toward the mat. Rest your forehead down and breathe deeply. Hold for 1 minute, feeling your lower back and hips relax. This pose gently stretches the lower back, hips, and shoulders, relieving built-up tension. Beginners keep knees close together for more support. Advanced stretches reach even further forward to deepen the stretch. Think your spine is fully relaxed? The next move will take it even further. Now let's wake up the spine with a smooth mobility flow. Time to mobilize the spine and get the blood flowing. Start in a tabletop position, hands on the shoulders and knees on the hips. Inhale, arch your back and lift your chest and look up. Cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin and pull your belly in. Cat pose. Flow slowly between these two movements for 1 minute. This hydrates the spine, improves flexibility and wakes up your core. Beginners keep the movement gentle and slow. Advanced stretches add a side-to-side sway for a deeper release. Feeling a little looser? Wait until we take it to the next level. Time to open up the spine even more. We're moving into a deep yet gentle back bend to strengthen and stretch the spine. Lie on your stomach with legs extended back. Place your elbows under your shoulders and press your forearms into the mat. Lift your chest and gently engage your lower belly. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch gently extends the spine, improves posture, and relieves back stiffness. Beginners keep elbows slightly wider for comfort. Advanced stretches press into your hands and lift into a seal pose for a deeper stretch. Your spine is warming up, but we're about to unlock even more tension. Let's add some spinal rotation to improve mobility. Time to unlock the shoulders and upper back with this deep twist. Start in the tabletop position, slide your right arm under your left and lower your right shoulder to the mat. Keep your hips high and press your left hand into the mat for support. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch through your upper back and shoulder. This pose relieves tightness in the upper spine and shoulders, improving mobility. Beginners, keep your left hand closer for more support. Advanced stretches, extend your left arm forward for a deeper twist. Think one side is tight? Let's check the other side. Now, let's even things out. Now we're balancing out the stretch on the left side. Start in a tabletop position, slide your left arm under your right, and lower your left shoulder down. Keep your hips lifted and press your right hand into the mat. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the deep spinal twist. This ensures both shoulders and sides of your spine stay mobile and balanced. Beginners, keep your right hand closed for stability. Advanced stretches, extend your right arm forward for a deeper stretch. And just like I promised, if you sit at a desk for hours, your body needs more than just this routine. I've got something special for you. Go grab a free desk worker stretching guide. It's packed with morning, midday, evening stretches, desk workouts, and office ergonomic tips. The best moves to stay pain-free all day. It's linked in the description or pinned comment. Go grab it now. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.